Rachel Jones for Kalkine Media. Welcome to another edition of Executive Corner Expert Talks. Today I'm speaking with Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director of Chimeric Therapeutics, Jennifer Chow. Chimeric Therapeutics develop, discover and commercialize novel cell therapies for patients. They believe they hold the key to curing cancer. Here to tell us more is Jennifer Chow. Welcome back to the show, Jennifer.
Thank you so much, Rachel. It's great to be here.
Now, firstly, could you remind our viewers with a quick overview of what Chimeric does and the different disease areas you work in within oncology?
Yeah, I would love to. So Chimeric Therapeutics is a clinical stage cell therapy company. So we focus on cell therapies and developing them for cancer indication. And cell therapies are really all about taking a patient's own cells or healthy donor cells and being able to turn them into some type of drug that can benefit a patient. With our cell therapies, we actually engineer a patient's own cells and then return them to them so that they can help benefit their types of cancer. And right now, our company across our multiple assets is actually exploring 6 or 7 different types of cancer, from acute myeloid leukemia to colorectal cancer to glioblastoma, which is the data we announced today.
Thanks, Jennifer. Now, you recently released positive interim data from a phase 1A trial of lead candidate in patients with heavily pretreated late-stage brain cancer. For those not familiar, can you start by giving us a little background on this asset?
Yeah, CHM 1101, which is otherwise known as chlortoxin CAR-T, is actually the asset on which the company was founded. So we licensed this asset when it was in preclinical, early clinical stages from City of Hope Hospital in California. And it is what we refer to as a first-in-class therapy. And so what really that means is that we're the very first in the world to be developing a chlortoxin CAR-T cell therapy. That particular therapy was studied in preclinical models and showed what we believed was very strong potential from an efficacy and safety perspective, and it moved into clinical trials in 2021. And so it's been working through a phase 1A clinical trial in recurrent glioblastoma patients. And glioblastoma is a type of brain cancer, and sadly, probably the most deadly and most fatal type of brain cancer that there is.
Now, with the data release, could you tell us what the most important things are to know?
Yeah, the data release today was incredibly exciting for Chimeric. So we really were looking to establish 3 different things. First and foremost is the safety, as this was a phase 1A clinical trial. And so the primary objective of those is always safety, to be able to say that we can actually give this to a patient safe. And then the second is to look at response rates. So how many patients are actually able